The Sony A7 series has long been a staple for photographers and videographers seeking a balance between performance and portability. With the anticipated release of the Sony A7V, Sony aims to push the boundaries further, integrating advanced features that cater to both professionals and enthusiasts. Sensor: new full-frame powerhouse, 44MP IMX 366 XMR RCMOS. The Sony A7V is rumored to feature a brand new 44-megapixel full-frame XMR RCMOS sensor, likely the IMX 366. This would be a significant step up from the 33MP sensor in the Sony A7 IV. Back-illuminated design enhances light collection, especially in low-light conditions. Increased dynamic range for richer tones in highlights and shadows. Improved color accuracy and clarity, ideal for portrait, landscape, and commercial photography. Processor: next-gen Bion's XR Plus dedicated AI engine. The camera is expected to be powered by the latest Bion's XR image processor, which is also used in the flagship A1 and A7RV. It's fast, intelligent, and power-efficient. AI coprocessor: Sony will likely include a dedicated AI processing unit, separate from the main image processor. Benefits: faster and more accurate real-time tracking autofocus. Enhanced subject recognition: eyes, animals, cars, planes, and birds. AI-driven white balance, scene recognition, and noise control. High efficiency in noise reduction without sacrificing detail. Video capabilities: professional-grade recording features. The Sony A7V is expected to be a hybrid camera with exceptional video features, ideal for YouTubers, filmmakers, and professional videographers. Expected video features. Feature specification: 4K up to 120 frames per second, 10-bit 4:2:2, 1080p, FHD, up to 240 frames per second, 8K recording up to 30 frames per second, with crop or overheating control. Color profiles as Cinetone, S, Log3, HLG. Format: ZAVC HS, H.265, and All Intra. Benefits: 4K per 120 frames per second equals buttery, smooth slow motion. 10-bit 4:2:2 equals professional color, grading, flexibility. 8K video support, rumored, equals future-proofing for creators. No crop in 4K equals full sensor width for cinematic depth. Autofocus: next-level precision with AI autofocus. Sony's A7 series is famous for its class-leading autofocus, and the A7V is rumored to take it even further. Autofocus system: 759 phase detection points. Real-time IAF for humans, animals, birds. AI-enhanced tracking of body, head, and eye, even in fast action. Benefits: nail focus even at f/1.4 in low light. Ideal for wildlife photography, sports, and fast-paced events. Works great in video recording for focus pulls and vlogging. Battery life: better power efficiency. Rumors point to an improved power management system, maintaining Sony's use of the NP FZ100 battery, but with better performance. Benefits: up to 600 shots per charge expected. Long 4K per 60 frames per second video recording sessions without overheating. Compatible with USB PD, fast charging, and power banks. EVF and LCD display. Viewing redefined. OLED viewfinder. 5.76 million OLED EVF. 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth tracking. Excellent visibility in bright sunlight. LCD touchscreen. 3.0-inch fully articulating flip-out touchscreen. High resolution and brightness. Fully compatible with touch autofocus and menu navigation. Benefits: perfect for vlogging, low-angle shots, and self-recording. Great for monitoring exposure, focus peaking, and zebra stripes. Connectivity and ports. The A7V is expected to offer cutting-edge connectivity options. Expected ports: dual SD/CF Express Type A card slots. Full-size HDMI port Type A. USB-C, USB 4.0 for fast file transfer and tethering. 3.5mm mic plus headphone jack. Wi-Fi 6 plus Bluetooth 5.2. Benefits: super fast data transfer and live streaming. Seamless cloud syncing and remote control. USB-C power plus file transfer equals fewer accessories. Thermal management. No overheating promise. If the A7V includes 8K video, Sony will likely include improved internal heat dissipation, ventilation channels, or passive cooling elements. Sony has faced heat issues in the past with 8K in the A1. The A7V is rumored to solve these with smarter thermal design. Body design: lighter, tougher, smarter. Expected to adopt a design similar to the Sony A7C II or a hybrid between the A7 IV and A9 III. Features: magnesium alloy frame, improved hand grip, dust and moisture resistance. Smaller form factor, but better heat control. Price: what will it cost? Based on leaks and Sony's history. Expected price: $2,499 to $2,699, body only. Sony A7 IV now available at $1,298, great for budget users. Value for money: massive leap in AI features, autofocus, video resolution, and sensor performance. Final thoughts: who should buy the Sony A7V? Ideal for pro photographers needing fast, reliable performance. Videographers who want pro-grade 4K per 8K recording. Hybrid shooters doing both photo and video work. Content creators and YouTubers looking for AI tools, tracking, and color science. Conclusion: the Sony A7V is poised to be a significant upgrade in the A7 series, offering a blend of high-resolution imaging, advanced video capabilities, and AI-driven performance enhancements. Its anticipated features make it a compelling choice for professionals and enthusiasts looking to elevate their creative work.